Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Freepik. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Freepik. Click on the first website link. Click on sell content. So once you are on Freepik contributor dashboard, you simply need to click on invoicing and agreements. And here you can see that pending invoice, paid invoice. So you simply need to click on billing information. So here you can see if you are a company, select this option, but if you are not a company, you need to add your full name, your ID number, your phone number, your address, your postal code, your city, your country from here, and you can select billing method. So currently you have two options, PayPal and Payoneer. If you have PayPal, you simply need to select PayPal, add your account email here, and you need to select your currency, USD or Euro. Let's suppose you select USD. Click here and then you need to click on save changes. Then the Freepik team review your billing information, and once it is accepted you can see in accepted tab, and if it is rejected you can see in this tab. And after that you are able, if your billing information is accepted, you are able to withdraw money from Freepik using your PayPal. If you want to use Payoneer, you can use that as well. So this is the process by which you can withdraw money from Freepik. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.